connecting back to your fire, that light inside of you, but also addressing all of those like wounds and programmings that you might have absorbed during your childhood or your early life that created limiting beliefs. Maybe some behaviors that aren't the best for you, like people pleasing, not having boundaries, and perfectionism, and things like that. How do we connect to the inner child? Well, I personally on my journey, I came across Thich Nhat Hanh. He's a Buddhist monk and he has several books about his teachings. He teaches on love and compassion. Those are his two things. And he has a book on inner child healing. And I specifically remember that he speaks about when you're doing this, you essentially want to visualize yourself connecting to little you. So when I was doing this, I would visualize little stuff. Like if I was in my room, I would put down a pillow and then visualize her sitting there, and then I would talk to her. I would connect with her. Or I would journal and just have a conversation, see how she was doing, seeing what she needed. And when I would go outside, for example, for a walk, because I love nature, I would invite her with me and I would point out the trees, the just all the beautiful things that I would see. And I would visualize her coming with me. And those were all ways that I connected to my inner child. And those were exercises that he described in the book to do. And I found it really effective. And but a funny thing is, I did a inner child healing meditation, and I found that when I first connected with my inner child, she didn't necessarily come running open arms to me because I had been neglecting her. And so doing these things where I was connecting with her and making space for joy and connection connected me more to my inner child. And even till this day, this is something that it's a good practice to do maybe once a day because you'll find that your authenticity comes from you fully embodying your inner child, like your full capacity for joy. Because when you're your full capacity for joy, you're not thinking of like, oh, they're gonna judge me, oh, they're gonna think this of me, which creates filters in your the way that you present yourself. And so when you're completely in your inner child, you remove all those filters and then your authenticity just shines through. You shine through. And so if you've struggled with authenticity or really connecting to joy or just experiencing more like zest in life, inner child healing is the way to go. And when you do this, you'll also feel more confident. You'll have higher sense of self-worth and you'll live more authentically. So these are all amazing reasons on why you should connect to your inner child. So again, pretty much all you need to do is visualize your inner child and connect with them through various different ways, whether that's journaling or by setting up like a mini date where you're just fully present. So I want you to try this out and leave down in the comments if you did this and some shifts that you've experienced or insights that have come up for you. I would love to hear about that. And I'll see you next time.